In today's fast-paced world, businesses are constantly searching for ways to stay ahead of the competition. Introducing Mapsted cutting-edge real-time location systems, also known as RTLS, the solution to your efficiency needs. Imagine a world where every vital asset and team member seamlessly connect through invisible threads, offering unparalleled building visibility. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality we've crafted. With Mapsted's real-time location systems, businesses can optimize asset utilization, maximize workforce productivity, and streamline operations like never before. Businesses will gain a multitude of benefits, including improved asset utilization. With real-time visibility into asset location, businesses can optimize asset usage, reducing the need for excess inventory and minimizing loss. Enhanced workforce productivity. By tracking employee movements and workflows, businesses can identify bottlenecks and streamline processes, leading to increased productivity and reduced downtime. Optimized space utilization. Real-time location systems provides valuable insights into space utilization, allowing businesses to optimize facility layouts and improve resource allocation. Enhanced safety and security. With the ability to monitor personnel in real time, businesses can ensure employee safety and respond quickly to emergencies, enhancing overall security protocols. From corporate offices, universities, and hospitals, to warehouses, airports, and multi-event facilities, Mapsted's cutting-edge RTLS is revolutionizing operations across industries, providing valuable insights and driving success. Discover the power of Mapsted RTLS for your business today and unlock a world of possibilities. Contact us today to learn more about how Mapsted's cutting-edge RTLS can transform your business.